The camera opens over a vast construction and mining rehabilitation site where heavy machinery is reshaping the landscape on a massive scale. Dust hangs in the air as two powerful machines dominate the scene: the Caterpillar D8R and the Caterpillar D9T bulldozers, both working with raw strength and controlled precision. This is not a simple earth-moving job. It is large-scale terrain reconstruction, where every pass of the blade changes the structure of the ground. The Caterpillar D8R bulldozer is known in the construction industry for its balance of power and versatility. It is widely used for general earth moving, site preparation, and material pushing on construction projects. In this operation, the D8R is handling the upper layers of soil and loose material, steadily clearing and leveling sections of the site to prepare for more intensive shaping work. Its strong diesel engine delivers consistent torque, allowing it to push heavy loads without losing stability on uneven terrain. Nearby, the Caterpillar D9T bulldozer takes over the more demanding section of the job. This machine is designed for extreme mining and heavy-duty earth-moving operations. With significantly higher horsepower and a reinforced frame, the D9T is capable of moving massive volumes of overburden and compacted earth. Here, it is being used to level an old mining area that has been left uneven and unstable. Each pass of its wide blade reshakes the ground with controlled force, gradually transforming the site into a structured and usable surface. From an aerial perspective, the coordination between both machines becomes clearly visible. The D8R works in a continuous cycle, pushing material forward and clearing working paths, while the D9T follows behind, refining and leveling the terrain to engineering precision. This type of synchronized operation is essential in large mining rehabilitation projects where efficiency and accuracy must work together. The operators inside these machines play a critical role in the success of the project. Skilled bulldozer operators must constantly read the terrain, adjust blade angles, and control speed to ensure the ground is shaped correctly. Even a small miscalculation can affect drainage, stability, or future construction planning. In this environment, experience and machine control are just as important as raw equipment power. As the D9T advances, its massive blade cuts into compacted earth, pushing forward tons of material in a single movement. The steel tracks grip the surface firmly, preventing slippage even under extreme load. This stability allows the operator to maintain precise control while working on uneven and previously disturbed ground. Behind it, a smooth and leveled surface begins to form, marking progress in the rehabilitation process. One of the key objectives in this project is the creation of a new ramp. This ramp is essential for future access, allowing trucks, excavators, and other heavy equipment to move safely between different levels of the site. The D9T gradually shapes this incline, carefully controlling the slope angle to ensure it meets operational and safety requirements. Every layer of earth is positioned with purpose, forming a stable gradient that will support heavy traffic. Meanwhile, the D8R continues to support the surrounding area by clearing remaining debris and fine-tuning the surface. Its role may appear less aggressive, but it is equally important for achieving a finished workable site. Together, both machines create a balanced workflow that combines power with precision. The environment itself is constantly